What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 90 in the Betrue colorway. Continuing Nike's tradition of celebrating June, which is Pride Month, this year's collection is a collaboration with the Gilbert Baker Foundation. So Gilbert Baker famously designed the Pride flag way back in the 1970s and is still being used today. So according to Nike, all items in this year's Betrue collection will feature the iconic rainbow flag. Of the entire pack, it's headlined, in my opinion, by these guys, the Air Max 90. So these retail for a price of $140 US or $170 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is white, multicolor, and black. So before we go on into the details of the shoe, here's a quick look at the box. So as you guys can tell, this comes in a special edition Betrue box featuring the iconic rainbow colors of the Pride flag all over the box. On the bottom right corner, we also have Gilbert Baker's signature in black. So diving back into the sneaker, so this is your classic Air Max 90 silhouette. The base layer of this sneaker, for the most part, is constructed using this white mesh. Overlaid on top of the mesh, surrounding the front toe box, here we have this gray leather. So to the touch, this leather has a bit of a plastic feel to it, and it isn't the best quality leather out there. However, overlaid on top of the gray leather, we have this black leather mudguard, and in my opinion, this black leather feels much softer to the touch. As we move on to the midfoot of the shoe, so here again we see this gray leather covering the quarter panel, and then stitched on either side, we have these 8 Nike swooshes, which comprise the 8 different colors of the Pride flag. Towards the back end of the shoe, we have this cutout on the mudguard that exposes this Air Max branding done in this orangey red color. Moving into the center area of the shoe, so the eye stays of this sneaker are done in 4 different colors. So we have purple and orange on one side, and then on the other side we have green and pink. Intertwining through this, we have your laces, so these are just your standard flat style white laces, and then underneath this, we have the tongue. So this is your typical white nylon tongue, and to my surprise, unlike your standard Air Max 90s, there was no tongue tag on this pair. I feel like this would have been a good opportunity to either put the Nike logo or the Betrue logo on the tongue. So as a result, it kind of felt like it was missing something and it was a little bit empty. Flipping these over to the back heel, so here we have this rubberized blue material, and then on top of this, we have the Nike Air branding, but the Nike word mark is actually blocked off, which is something I've been seeing in a lot of recent Nike sportswear apparel. So the interior of these Air Max 90s is lined in this white nylon, and then as I take out the insole, so we have these custom insoles as well. So on the left foot, this is a pink insole with Gilbert Baker's signature and the word Betrue in black, and then on the right shoe, we have the colors of the Pride flag with the words representing what each colors mean. So the upper of these Air Max 90 Betrues sits atop this full-length white-colored foam midsole. Encased within this midsole, we do have a Nike Airsole unit, and this is visible underneath the heel. Turning these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Max 90 outsole. So for the most part, this is done in white rubber. However, we have these turquoise hits on the top, along with yellow hits on the bottom heel. In terms of how these fit, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up in a size 10. Usually in the past, I've been between a 10 or a 10.5 in the Air Max 90 model, but I tried on both sizes in the store, and the size 10 definitely fit me better. These felt pretty long, and even when I was wearing Nike Elite socks, which are much thicker, the size 10 still fit me very well. Just to give you guys a point of reference, so I also got a size 10 in the off-white Air Max 90s as well, and comparing the two shoes, these ones definitely fit more spacious. Whereas for the off-white Air Max 90s, I probably could have gotten away with going up a half size to a 10.5, but for these guys, true to size 10 was definitely the way to go. In terms of comfort, so as far as retro sneakers go, this pair specifically was actually very comfortable. It's not going to feel amazing with modern day tech like Nike React or Adidas Boost, but for a shoe that debuted back in 1990, these were actually very comfortable and they'll be excellent for just everyday casual use. So with all that said, now let me lace up these Air Max 90 Betrues and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I gotta say that this Air Max 90 is probably my favorite shoe so far to ever release in the Nike Betrue collections. My favorite part with this sneaker is its multi-layered swoosh on the sides. And overall speaking, even though it does represent pride, I really like how they incorporate the colors on the shoe sort of more in a subtle way. Personally, I think that this shoe is very wearable, and I think you don't even need to wear it just specifically for June. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Air Max 90 Betrue. Is this a shoe that you plan on copying when they drop later on this month, or are you guys planning to pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esgo8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.